Hi everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist, and I love to cook, I love to do DIY, get ready with me videos, and sometimes reviews. And today I'm going to do a review on my new Rowenta Iron. So let's get started. I've been using the same iron for 20 plus years, probably close to 30 years, and it was time to get a new one. So I did a bunch of research and I came up with this Rowenta Focus Iron, and I got it on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below where you can find one too. And I'm really excited because I still iron most of my husband's shirts, and this iron just glides right over the material. I will tell you the iron is heavy, but because it glides, it's not a big deal. And it has 400 steam holes. I don't know if you can see those on there. And it's great with steam, and you just use tap water. So let's iron a shirt. I love how it's got the little point. It gets in really hard to reach places. You want to be careful not to get your hand too close to when you're pressing the steam, because it will burn you. How do I know? Last night I was ironing and my hand was just a little bit too close. So be careful with that. And there we have it, a nicely pressed shirt. I want to show you features of the Rowenta Focus Iron made in Germany. I really like it a lot. I love the precision tip. This makes it great for getting into those hard to reach areas. I love that it is a self-cleaning iron and that it is 1700 watts, and it has an anti-drip and anti-calcium. A really nice dial for choosing exactly what kind of material you're going to use. And when you choose the material, the iron will automatically adjust the steam rate for optimum performance. This iron also has variable steam and vertical steam. Another thing I really like about it is automatic shutoff. If you lay it on its side and it lays there for 30 seconds or more, it's gonna immediately shut off. Or if you lay it down like this for 30 seconds or more, it automatically shuts off. If you have it set up on end for 8 minutes, it's going to automatically shut off. But if you want to begin using it again, just put it down and just begin to glide. It will come back on. So I'm gonna show you how to put water into the iron so that we have steam. I close that up. And I have it set on steam. I'm going to now plug the iron in. Always have the iron unplugged when you're adding water or taking the water out of your iron, which, by the way, you want to do that after every time you use it. Don't leave water sitting in your iron. Okay, the iron is ready to use. So it's already got automatic steam set on it. But if you want a big push of steam, you just hold it up and there you go. You can also do a spray. Make sure that you empty the water out after every use and keep it unplugged. And I think you would really enjoy this iron. It has 400 steam holes on a stainless steel sole plate, and it's designed for perfect steam diffusion. I'm gonna give this Rowenta Iron made in Germany a thumbs up. I really like it a lot. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I would love to connect with you. Thanks so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. And if you're not following me, I hope you will. Have a great rest of your day. God bless. Bye.